I'm just gonna juice apples and celery today. That's all we are doing. The machine is not dirty, okay? I just finished juice another juice, so I don't want to rinse it out. I did rinse out just a little bit. We're gonna work with what we got. We're gonna cut the apples so that they can fit in this machine better. Just gonna do it in half. This is like 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples with a big batch, the whole thing of celery. Look how pretty it looks. This one is going bad. It's so pretty cut up. Alright, let's get the juice. Let's do this thing. Very sweet. Not bad. It looks like another green juice.